Let's solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0 using two different methods, completing the square and the quadratic formula. Let's start with completing the square. First, we move the constant term to the right side of the equation. Next, to complete the square, we take half of the coefficient of x, which is 1, and square it. That gives us 1. We add this value to both sides of the equation to maintain equality. The left side is now a perfect square trinomial. We can factor it as x plus 1 squared. The right side simplifies to 6. Solving for x, we get x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 6. This gives us approximately x equals 1.45 or negative 3.45. Now, let's verify our answer using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a in our equation. A equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals negative 5. Substituting these values into the formula, we get x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 1 times negative 5, all over 2 times 1. Simplifying under the square root, we get negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 24 over 2. The square root of 24 can be written as 2 times the square root of 6. This gives us x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 6, which matches our answer from completing the square. Let's visualize these solutions on a graph. Here's our parabola, and we can see it crosses the x-axis at our two solutions. In conclusion, we've solved this quadratic equation using two different methods and found that both give us the same solutions. This demonstrates how different approaches in mathematics can lead us to the same correct answer.